Hello! Shortcut muna tayo guys. Shortcut again. Shortcut tayo dito sa Bacood guys. Bacood, Santa Mesa, City of Manila. Meron ditong isang bridge guys na mag-cross dyan sa dito sa Kalentong. Yun na yung tulay na yun sa may stoplight. Pagtawid dyan, Kalentong na. Ayan o. There. Welcome to Bacood Street. This is part of Manila, border of City of Mandaluyong. Pagtawid dyan sa bridge, dyan sa may skyway na yan, Mandaluyong na. Very busy here. Very quiet. Bacood, Santa Mesa. Very nice to live here. Very quiet. Nice place. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and we have a good weather today. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.